Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best ice cube tray stackable on the market. The ChefAide Ice Cube Tray with Lid, a practical and durable set designed to make your ice-making experience effortless and organized. This set includes 4 ice cube trays, each capable of making 14 rectangular ice cubes, giving you a total of 56 cubes when used together. What makes these trays stand out is their clever combination of materials. The top half of each tray is made of rigid plastic, which helps maintain the tray's shape during filling and freezing. Meanwhile, the bottom half is crafted from flexible silicone, allowing you to easily pop out ice cubes without any twisting or struggle. This design provides the perfect balance between sturdiness and easy release functionality. Each tray comes with a removable lid, which serves a dual purpose. The lid not only prevents spills when you carry the trays to your freezer but also keeps your ice cubes fresh and free from unwanted freezer odors. Plus, these lids enable you to stack the trays securely on top of each other, maximizing your freezer space and keeping it neat and tidy. Using the ChefAide trays is simple. Just fill them up to the marked max line, snap on the lid, and place them in your freezer. Once frozen, it's best to wait about 30 seconds before removing the lid. This small pause helps loosen the ice cubes, making it easier to open the tray without any effort. When it's time to release the ice, just press the silicone bottom, and the cubes will pop right out cleanly. The rectangular shape of the ice cubes is perfect for a variety of uses, whether you're chilling cocktails, coffee, juice, or even making baby food portions. The cubes look great in any drink and melt slower than smaller ice, keeping your beverage cold without diluting it too quickly. Beyond functionality, the trays are made from BPA-free materials and are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Their dimensions are thoughtfully sized at just under 10 inches long, 4 inches wide, and just over an inch tall, which fits nicely in most standard freezer compartments. In summary, the ChefAide Ice Cube Tray with Lid set combines smart design, durability, and convenience. From the stackable lids that save space to the easy-release silicone bottoms, these trays are perfect for anyone looking for a hassle-free way to make and store ice cubes. If you want organized freezer space and perfectly shaped ice cubes every time, this product is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest reviews on products that make your life easier.